If you want to cancel your Zoom free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure that you do not get charged after the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your Zoom account. Visit the Zoom website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, click on Account Management in the left sidebar. Then select Billing from the drop-down menu to access your billing settings. Step 3. Find the current plan. In the billing section, you will see your current plan details. Look for the information related to your free trial, including the expiration date and any options for cancellation. Step 4. Cancel the free trial. Locate the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email from Zoom regarding the cancellation of your free trial. Make sure to check your email to ensure the process was successful. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Zoom free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Zoom's customer support for assistance.